Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to be doing another full day of eating today. I'm about to break my 16-8 fast in about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to be grilling my first ever steak. I've never made one for myself. I'm going to be having a steak and also either Brussels sprouts or broccolini for lunch, and I'm still not sure what I'm going to be doing for dinner, but hopefully this steak turns out pretty good. So quick update, I am here at work. I could not finish that steak that I made for lunch today. It was just way too much for me, so I ended up giving the rest of it to my dad. But now I'm feeling a little hungry, so I broke out my keto brick. You can see it right here. I actually did a first impressions video of it, and you guys should totally check that out and check out their website. I can't wait till they make more so I can order some more, but I'm just going to finish up here and then I'm gonna go home and figure out what I'm gonna be having for dinner. I just got home and I have about 40 minutes until I need to be at church. So luckily my amazing mom is making roast in the crock pot and it's ready, and I'm going to toss this bag of shaved Brussels sprouts and some coconut oil and use my Trader Joe's everyday seasoning. And then for a nice little treat post dinner, otherwise known as dessert, my mom makes these, we call them sugared walnuts, but there's no sugar in them. We just use this sweetener, and I'm sure she has a recipe, but no sugar in them at all. So here is dinner on my plate. I have the Brussels sprouts, roast, and some blueberries. And then here's what the walnuts look like after they've been cooked with the glaze on them. I'll try to post the recipe below this video, so if y'all would like to try it, you can. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time.